Hey, welcome back. Today we are learning about conditional statements. Conditional statements allow a program to make decisions and take different actions based on specific conditions. Let's say we want to check if a user is old enough to vote or not. A person must be 18 years or older to vote. A program will behave differently if the age is below 18 and if it's 18 or more. To write a code for this, we use the if and else statements. The if statement checks the condition. If the condition is true, the code inside the if block runs. Okay, so if the condition is false, the program skips the if block and runs the code inside the else block. So for this, the output will be you cannot vote, your age is below 18. Now, let's change the value of age to 30 and see how the program behaves. So when the age is 30, the condition age greater than equals to 18 is true. So the program runs the code inside the if block. The output will be you can vote. Whenever you write an if or else statement, always use curly braces to define the block of code that belongs to that condition.